This fucking sucks. I have to eat this. Do you see this? Get the bottle real quick, right? So that way they know I'm not fucking lying. What the fuck? That's some shit. That's some fucking shit. This is a lot. It don't even look like a lot. It's a lot. Hold this. Hold this fuck, man. Fuck, nigga.
Do it all. Now look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Oh, better. It's like fucking all of them are chocolate and underneath my lip.
Do I see a tear?
Fuck. And I have nothing to fucking drink.
Double or nothing.
Fuck nothing.